Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Wil Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I just got this in the mail, which is a LotsFit Mini Massage Gun. They sent it to me, and we had a lot of correspondence back and forth before they sent it to me. Asked me what color bag I want, so I went with gray, because I think it was either gray or pink, which looks like those are their colors. So this is the little, I haven't even opened this yet, I just opened the shipping packaging, and looking at the instructions, which seem pretty simple. I think I can figure this out. Looks pretty easy. So they offer custom engraving. I think it's included, so I chose the little hashtag we use here at the office. It was cool they could use that. The neat thing about this too is if you are interested in buying one of these, they offered a promo code for anyone who watches this video. If you just use the hashtag in the promo code box, you'll get $20 off your order. So you just take the hashtag off. The promo code's just thxdrwil. Thanks, Dr. Wil. So we take the take this bad boy out. This is definitely the part that you know, is like the hole where the motor is and all that good stuff. This looks like the base. It's funny, you can spend time reading instruction manuals, or you can just go for it and hope that you're doing it right. This looks like, oh, interesting. This is one of the, because this is, I thought this would be the spot where you put the like different attachments, but it looks like it's just like a fan thing. So I'm gonna push that down, and now it's going. Push it again, and it's increasing in speed. Same thing, and that's it. And that's back to setting 1. So there's 4 settings. This is the first one. You can see the second light, third light, fourth light, and there's these little holes right here. There's air coming out of there. So I guess that's just the fan or just the motor. So holding down for a couple seconds to turn it on and off. Let's try. So this is just speed 1, and you know, forearms for lateral epicondylitis, elbow pain. This is a great way to use this thing, because I mean, it's super easy. You can just do it on yourself. I would love it if someone would take this thing right now and work it on the area of my shoulder blade, because I kind of feel a little discomfort there from weightlifting. So just raising it up, and it's actually, I'm putting a little pressure with it. It's pretty good. I'll go to, ooh, wow, that's setting 3. Definitely feel that one. That one's definitely getting in there more. And setting 4, oh, which is nice. And it's so heavy that you can actually feel. It's interesting because you can like do stuff to your forearm. Like if I go under here, you can see I'm not actually squeezing my fingers, but I'm putting enough compression on the muscles that do control my finger contraction. And you can see, so this is me with my hand neutral. I'll take this and push down enough, and it'll contract my fingers, which is pretty neat. You can actually do this with like a stim machine too, which is kind of fun to play with. So that's that little attachment, which is nice, and I just twisted it on. It was pretty easy to use. They also have this one, which looks like it's going to be a bit more intense, basically because smaller surface area, always going to be more intense as far as pressure goes, and obviously specificity. So this one's good, but I would probably use this on my foot. I like that first one for the forearm. That's nice. But this is pretty, this thing is sweet. I like this. I'll turn this off and try the next one. So yeah, LotsFit Mini Massage Gun. In that little slot where this was, they have a little, you know, USB cord. Everyone's doing just the cord. They don't do the adapter anymore, but let's face it, we all have a ton of adapters to plug into the wall. So this, now this here, intense. This is used for on the sides of the spine. So you, on the side of your spine, you have paraspinal muscles, and you could take this and rub this along the back. So you would just run this along the spine. Obviously not push into the bones, because any massage on the bone is just not going to feel good. But, you know, it's cool to have the option to use this on the paraspinal muscles because that's usually a spot that's really tight on people, especially people who bend forward a lot with their jobs, and a lot of people who weightlift and do a lot of deadlifts. A lot of people have, I call them like bratwurst on the side of their spines. They're just like, their muscles are just super big and thick. And then this one is pretty neat. Obviously just like a ball attachment. So this will come out here, and we'll plug it in and try this one as well. I would use this on the bottom of my foot for sure. This would be great, and you can use this on the head. Not the head, the neck is what I meant to say. You can try to reach. The cool thing is, actually, because of this handle, I'm getting into that spot that's bothering me. It's almost like I need my rib adjusted. That would be like perfect for this. But if you have someone who can help with applying this, obviously a practitioner can do it. But if you have like someone at home who can kind of scratch your back, if you will, this thing would be great. So yeah, this is the LotsFit Mini Massage Gun. Thank you for sending it to me. Love the engraving. I just used it for a pretty good amount of time. I don't know how long this video was, but the charge that was in this, it's still going on. And I don't know how long it does last for, but you know, you could probably check in this thing or just use it and see what the deal is. But pretty cool. Really like it. Thank you for sending it, LotsFit. Again, if you want to get $20 off, if you are interested in purchasing this, just use the thxdrwil. I'll have this in the office. People can try it. You know, they asked me if I wanted a wholesale thing, but I really don't care about selling products. I really don't want to give people the impression that I'm interested in doing anything other than doing chiropractic adjustments for pain relief. That's my favorite way to help people. It's my favorite way to get relief. And so, yeah, but you can use the promo code. They gave that to me. They said, just use the promo code, let people know. So you guys can try that and use it. I have no idea how much this retails for. I would guess if I had to put a price on it, like $180, but I really don't know. I mean, I haven't looked into it really at all. It's just one of those things. We get emails from people and they ask if we want to try their product, and here it is. So thank you for watching this. Really appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know. I will put the link, if you're watching this on YouTube, to their channel and their website in the video description, so you can check on that and look at their channel and their website. But this is your Sussex County chiropractor showing you the LotsFit Mini Massage Gun. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.